Okay. Welcome. If you're watching this, then it's time to build a website from scratch and put it on the internet. Even if you've never, ever thought about code ever in your life, and you hate when your computer starts like acting like an airplane and getting really loud, or when you have too many tabs open in Chrome or whatever it is, this is for you. If you hate your computer, you can still build a website, and we're gonna do it in like a few minutes. Because I think everybody should know how to do it, and it's super cool. And so you can literally start and do this just by making a folder on your desktop, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open Notepad, not Notepad, text edit, and then we're just gonna make a new document, which is basically just like you could do the same thing in Google Docs and then export a file. It really does not matter. All right. So you could put whatever you want. I was gonna say, "Hello world," because if you do more tutorials like stuff like this, it's kind of a trend. So for traditional sake, you say something like "Hello world," and then you save the file as index.html, which is kind of arbitrary, but you just got to stick with it here. And then we save it as a web page .html. All right. So I'm gonna save it to my folder called Yay, and I save that. And so, bam, that was all the coding we needed to do. Um, so that now I want to put it on the web, right? Okay. Let me show you something. So I go to Yay, and it's an HTML file, so I can open it on my computer, and bam, in the browser we have Hello World. That's special. Um, Took a few minutes or seconds, and boom, we have Hello World. I could put in whatever I want here, right? Bam. We reopen it again, and boom, we have even more text on our website. But now, my website is really cool, but I want everybody on the internet to be able to come to my website and know that I'm super cool and that I'm saying hello to the world. How could I possibly do that? How does like google.com let everybody put, access their website from their browser? My friend in the West Coast. So that's not even a hard problem too. You want to go to this site, there's a ton of them, but we're going to go to this site called Netlify. And the only reason I picked this one just because it's really easy and it's free. So, boom, sign up. I already have an account because I tried this before. But you click add new site, deploy manually. And then you come over to this folder Yay that we made, and you just drag it, upload, wait, and bam! Now I have my very own website on the internet that any of my friends can visit. You could obviously it's a very ugly domain name, which is what this is called. Um, but you could buy your own domain name. That's a whole separate thing. But I could text this, copy the link here. This is on my browser. I could copy the link, and send it to my friends, and then they can see what my website is. So I hope that was a super, super duper quick introduction to saying that anybody can actually make something website and put it on the internet for anybody to see. And so if you think that's cool, and I hope you realize that it's really not that hard. People like to think it's hard to make them, it doesn't matter. It's not that hard. So we're next few episodes, we're gonna make it look cooler, make it maybe do things. But really, the point is that I can come in and put my own stamp on the internet and put my own things on the internet. Super easy, and it only gets more fun. when you can make cooler and cooler websites. So I hope you learned something in a few minutes. So maybe go in, change the text around, and then text a link to your friends because they'll be able to see it now that you've uploaded your own website to the internet. Okay, great. I'll see you in the next one where we probably make the website look cooler and then eventually make it do things that are cool. Okay, bye.